Suzie Fletcher detailed the heartache she faced while married to her husband Rob, who she described would become more volatile when he consumed alcohol. Her husband died in 2013, 5 years before her first appearance on The Repair Shop, and she described it as one of the biggest bolts out of the blue she had ever experienced. Suzie first met her husband in Colorado after initially moving to the U.S. to work as a master saddler in Illinois. She was only supposed to stay in the U.S. for 2 years, but she lived there for 22 years before moving back to the UK. Her husband died following a battle with cancer, and he had been diagnosed while they were living together in the U.S. In an extract from her book, The Sun Over the Mountains, A Story of Hope, Healing and Restoration by Suzie Fletcher, obtained by the Daily Mail, she opened up about her marriage. The restorer recalled one incident where she had felt belittled by him and walked out of the room and slammed the door behind her. She said he grabbed her until my feet no longer touched the carpet. Suzie added, "I honestly thought I was going to die. He was choking me and could easily have killed me. I don't know why, but eventually he let go." "Don't miss. Holly Willoughby changed and I no longer know her," former co-star claims. Latest, Loose Women star Jane Moore fumes Britain is not the place it used to be, column. Victoria Beckham inundated with messages over new family pictures. Despite being mentally, physically and emotionally exhausted, she questioned why she stayed in the marriage, which she described as coercive. Suzie recalled him constantly phoning her and going ballistic if she didn't respond. She wrote, "Alcohol and domestic violence go hand in hand. Rob's temper got worse when he drank heavily." The BBC favourite also stressed they had issues with money, with Suzie earning a lot more than her husband, which also caused a strain in the relationship. Suzie admitted she was devastated after losing Rob to pancreatic cancer, and despite their ups and downs, she loved him very much. The on-screen star said she is hopeful her story will help those people who are stuck in abusive marriages to free themselves. Although his death left her devastated, she used The Repair Shop as a way to move forward with her life. She has previously shared how the show had helped her through many dark days, and it was partly what inspired her to sign up for the program.